Let's look at this weighted majority algorithm. So we have 4 input parameters, E, T, N, and gamma, and each of them has specific roles. So first, E represents the set of experts involved in this algorithm. So each expert in this set provides predictions on a series of events. So E would be the group of set E1, E2, E3. Well, each of E of I is an individual expert. And the parameter T refers to the total number of rounds or time steps that this algorithm runs. So this is the number of times that the experts make predictions. So this algorithm evaluates these predictions against the actual outcome. So in our example, T is 5, which indicated that there were 5 days on which predictions were made and evaluated. The parameter n is the number of experts in the set E. It represents the total count of different experts whose predictions are being considered. So in this example, n was 3, which corresponding to the 3 experts. And the parameter gamma is a penalty factor that controls how much an expert's weight is decreased when they make an incorrect predictions. So it determines the rate at which influence of incorrect experts is diminished over time. So in our example, the gamma was set to 0.5, which meaning that each time an expert was wrong, then the weight was halved. First, we have 3 experts, E1, E2, and E3, so n is 3, and then we trust each expert equally, which is all of them the weight is 1, and then let's start a for loop for T is 1, which is the first day. The first and the second expert predict in the first day is 1, but the third expert predict it is 0 at the first day. The experts who predicted 1 is E1 and E2, and the sum of the weights who predicted 1, the weights of E1 and E2, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2, and the expert who predicted 0, which is E3, and the sum of the weights who predicted 0, which is only E3, which is only 1, and then we compare the weighted groups. The upper weight have 2 experts, which is greater than the down weight, which only have 1 expert. So we take the majority choice. So our algorithm's predictions of first day is 1 because we take the majority choice, and the actual outcome is revealed, which is the O of first day is 1. And then we use a for loop to check out all the experts' prediction on the first day. So the first expert and the second expert prediction on the first day is 1, which is equal to the actual outcome, so it is correct. So we can keep its weight at the second round, which is still 1. But the third expert prediction at the first day it is 0, which is not equal to the actual outcome, which is 1, so it is not incorrect. So we have to punish it. We gain a penalty to decrease the weight of the third expert at the second round. So we have to multiply the third expert at the first round by 1 minus gamma, which is equal to 0.5. And finally, we have to return our algorithm's prediction at the first day, which is 1, which is equal to the actual outcome, which is also 1. So this prediction is correct.